Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis and in this video we are going to unbox and review the Fire TV Stick 4K. So as you know, this is the device from Amazon, the 4K version HDR, and I will let you know all the specs later on in the video. So my goal in this video is to show you all you can do with this device, so that is why the video will be so long. So if you want to know what you will get if you buy one of these, what you can do and what can the stick offer to you, okay? So stay until the end if you are really interested in buying a 4K device, and you will know in the end if the Fire TV Stick 4K is the one for you, okay? So let's start for the unboxing really fast. So inside the orange box we will find another box folded and everything we need inside. So first we have the instructions, all in English, and I will explain also how to connect the device to your TV. It's really easy, so explanations about the remote, everything you need. You also get a kitchen Fire TV offer for 1 year. We have the HDMI extender, so if your TV is too close to the wall and you are not able to connect your TV stick, you can attach the HDMI extender. So you have the power cable and the power adapter itself. It comes with 2 batteries and this is the remote. The build quality is really good. You can tell the plastic is not cheap. It's really good. It's heavy. It also can control your TV sound. It will detect your TV and will be able to control the sound. So this is the device itself. It's really small but really powerful. You will see. So only one connection, it's for power, so you just need to connect the cable that comes inside the package. And this is a streaming device, so if you're thinking in connecting an external drive or a USB drive, we have to find a workaround, okay? So let's put the batteries inside. And now let's connect the device to the TV. Okay, so we are now ready to turn it on. So we just need to connect the power cable. If your TV has a USB port, you can connect directly to your TV, but I don't know if it has sufficient power for the device to run, so you should use the power adapter. So this is the HDMI extender if you need it. If your TV is too close to the wall, you can use the HDMI adapter and you will be able to connect. Okay, so this is the power adapter. Just plug your USB cable and that's it. So if you are in Portugal like me, you will need an adapter. This device it arrived to me from Ireland, so, and they sent me this adapter. So this is my TV. I will connect on the side, and that's it. Here with the HDMI adapter, and let's start the magic. Okay, so once again we are ready to start. So as I told you before, the video is really long because my goal is to show everything you can do with this machine. So this is not only one unboxing and showing the main screen and that's it. No, I will show you what kind of applications you can install, what you can retrieve from the device, okay, because it comes limited from Amazon. I will speak about it because the store is limited. You will not get all the applications, but I will talk about later. So this is the first time you will need to connect. Select the language. You can select your language, then you need to find your Wi-Fi connection, enter your password, and after that your machine will connect to your Wi-Fi. So after connected to the Wi-Fi, it will search for the latest updates and will install automatically. You don't need to do anything. It's plug and play. And it's starting. So this device can be used in TVs without 4K capability. So I don't have a 4K TV. I'm using this tutorial, this review is being done in a PC monitor 1080p, and I own a 1080p TV. So we can use the stick 4K with no issues. So I'm prepared for a future TV. Even though we buy a new 4K TV, a smart TV, probably it will not be so smart as the Fire TV stick. So don't think that if you buy a smart TV that will be smart forever, because it will be outdated in a few years, and your Fire TV stick will continue to receive updates and you will be able to install a lot of applications and not in your TV. Okay, so we need to pair the device with our Amazon account. If you don't have one, you will have to create. And now it's congratulating me by registering my new device. So continue, yes. I want to save my passwords because if I have more devices from Amazon, I will not have to put the internet password again. It has a parental control. You can activate or not. I will not activate this on mine. And now we have to pair the remote. So I'm doing this on my computer monitor. I don't have sound, so I will assume that the sound is correct, but you will test this on your TV, so you can check everything if everything is going okay. So after this video I tested on my TV, everything works really great. Okay, so no issues, and the Fire Stick detected that my TV is a Samsung, and I can control the sound really well with only with this remote. I don't need a TV remote. I just need the Fire TV stick remote. Okay, so you just need to select which kind of the sound you have, if you have a soundbar or if you will use the TV sound, and that's it. Okay, so now our remote is set up, and we receive opportunity to enjoy Prime 1 month free. Okay, so I will do it later. Okay, so it's launching for the first time, and that's it. So this is the launcher. We have a lot of information, so this is totally different from an Android box, from a Chinese box. For the first time it might be a little confused because there are so many options and we have to move around a lot to search what we really want, because there is plenty of options to watch movies. There are a lot of applications already installed and we have to move around. So these are several applications that are already installed. So this is different from Google Store. You don't have a find search, you just can install the applications they offer you. If you want, you can select and install. There is no search. Okay, I will do a new video showing how you can sideload applications. It's really easy, and you can install another store, and with that you can install all the applications that are in Google Store and also not in Google Store. All the compatible applications we will be able to install. Okay, so these are the settings. We can manage applications. This is the available space we have on the machine. So I will show you everything on the settings. Here we can manage everything. Advanced settings. So we can decide on power timing, power on input. Everything you can tweak. Okay, let's continue. So Bluetooth controllers, yes, you can pair units with Bluetooth to your machine. So if you have a remote control, you can try. I tried to pair this one, it didn't work for me. The problem is not with the Fire TV. The problem was that this is a cloned PS4 remote from China, and unfortunately for me it's not pairing. Okay, I will be doing a review on this remote. It's really cheap, it works on Android boxes, it works on my PC, it works with my phone, but unfortunately it doesn't work with my Fire TV stick. Okay, this was just for the tutorial, just to show you, yes, you can pair sound devices, game controllers and everything. So I don't know if you notice, but the Fire Stick TV also comes with Alexa app. So Alexa, it's an assistant from Amazon, and you can send commands, voice commands to to your TV, pressing the mic button and giving instructions how and turn devices on and off and stuff like that. I will show you later on the video something controlled by Alexa. Okay, so here in preferences we can change a lot of other things, and we are almost complete here in settings. So this is my Fire TV. We can check the storage, the network, the store capacity, install updates. You can check if you have updates to install. Okay, that's it. And now the last one, it's not accessibility, all the things you can change. So I'm not used to the remote, and instead of pressing back, I press home, and I have to go through settings again. Sorry for that. So here you can check your account, and I think that's all for settings. And another thing you can do is to install in your mobile phone the Fire Stick TV application, and you will have another remote. So it really come handy. So because it will offer you the opportunity to use a keyboard. First we need to enable. Okay, press enable, and now you can control your Fire TV stick really easy. And also, as I told you, you can open a keyboard that's for registering and entering username and passwords for the applications. Will be really nice. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. So live, it's for live TV shows, movies, applications. So in applications we can check by kind of applications. So you just need to select and install or open if your application is already there on your machine. So this one is get free downloading. I just pressed and is downloading, and it's installing. That's how you install applications on your Fire Stick TV. So you will have to search, running the whole list for the applications you need, and that's the bad part about the Fire TV stick. You don't have a search engine to search for that specific application, so you need to go through the entire list. But if you install another store, it will be really easy. So the Vodafone TV application works really well. So I like more the application running on my Fire TV stick than the official Vodafone box, because in the official Vodafone box I don't get these thumbnails on the channels, and the only difference is that it takes 2 seconds to change the channel, and on the Vodafone real box it switches faster, quickly. Okay, but the application is really nice here, running on the Fire TV stick. So if you go on vacation, you can take the Fire Stick TV with you and you are ready to go and have your recordings and everything with you. Okay, so let's continue. So this is the Aptoy TV. That's the alternative store that I told you in order to install applications. So as I told you, I will do a separate video showing you how to install or to sideload applications into your Fire Stick TV. And as you see, it's really easier. So you just need to select the application you want and press install. That's it. So this is the specs for the device, for the Fire Stick TV, everything. So the RAM, everything, and now the CPU, ARM Cortex A53, 1069 megahertz, Android 7.1.2, and this is a benchmark Geekbench score. If you are into scores and you like to you want to know the score that the Fire TV will achieve. And compare to another devices. And so comparing these two Chinese boxes, this one is it's more money, but you get more value. Okay, so this is about 62 euros, 64, depending on where you buy it. But it really, for me, it's really better. Okay, so YouTube, it's working great. I will show you a video. And remember that the screen that I'm using, it's 1080p, so the Fire Stick will detect that the screen is 1080p and will not give me more than 1080p. It's the YouTube application that detects that the screen is only 1080p, and so it's the video will be limited to 1080p. So, but if you have a 4K monitor or TV, you will be able to watch 4K content with no issues. You can see here 0 frames dropped, and the machine can handle this really good. Even if you move forward your video, the Wi-Fi connection is really good, so the buffering is almost none, and the image quality is really nice. Okay, so no issues at all playing from YouTube. Okay, so let's continue. So Netflix, I don't have a password, so I will not be able to show you, but this is a Netflix certified device, so you will have no problems to display 4K with Netflix. Things that will not happen if you buy a Chinese box, because it's not certified, and you will be running an application and you will be limited to 1080p. Okay, so no issues with Netflix. So pressing the home button for several seconds will open this fast menu, and we can access settings, mirroring, sleep and applications. Okay, so this is the tip. Press home button for 1 or 2 seconds and the menu will appear. So as I told you before, it comes with Alexa, so the same. If you have an Echo Dot, you don't need an Echo Dot now, because you can speak directly to your remote and will do everything that your Echo Dots do. Okay, so let's do some tests. Change setup light to red. Change setup light to blue. Turn off setup light. Turn on setup light. Okay, so let's now have a look at the applications. You can change position in the menu of applications, so you can uninstall, move and change position. So the application you use more, you can move them to the top. The ones you use less, you can move them to the bottom. Okay, also if you don't like the Amazon Fire TV Stick launcher, you can install another launcher. Yes, it's possible. I already installed 2 different ones. I will show you in the video, and for the other tutorial that I will do showing you how to install the alternative store, I will also install an alternative launcher, and you will see how you can do it. Okay, so the ones with the cloud, that means that you only need to press to install. The ones with no cloud are already in my machine, are the ones that I already installed. So this is how you move applications within the launcher. So you just need to arrange the way you like it more. Okay, so here in your applications will be the ones that you move to the top will show there in first place. So I was able also to install HBO. And let's do some mirroring. So the device is capable of mirroring. We will start by mirroring the Windows 10. So if you have a computer and you want to mirror your screen in your TV, just go to Connect, search for your Fire TV, and then the screen will show on your Fire TV. Okay, you need to be on the same Wi-Fi connection, and this is the Fire TV screen, and I'm casting or mirroring from my computer. I will show you now. I will remove the camera and record the two screens. Okay, so on the right side this is the computer, and on the left side the Fire TV. So there is some delay, that's normal, but this is how you can mirror your computer to your Fire TV. If you want a Mac, you can do it, but you have to install another application. I will show you right away. Also, you can cast files from Windows 10 to your Fire TV using this application, the Air Screen. Okay, so I'm casting that file. So this is being casted from my computer to the Fire TV stick, and it works really good. And you will do the same with your Mac using that application. Now I will be mirroring my phone. So once again, go to mirror, go to your phone, select mirror or cast. This is a Poco phone. I will select cast. It will search for my Fire TV. I will select, and that's it. So now you can show everything on your phone directly on your TV. Let's test one or two apps. So it also works landscape, so I will show you landscape right away. Let me show you some pictures. Just turn your phone sideways and that's it. So again, you are able to show pictures to your family or friends. Really easy. Let's do some gaming. So remember that you can but you can pair a game control to your Fire TV stick, and it will run really well, because I just tested this game and it works perfectly well. So, and you can play it with the remote. So imagine if you have a gamepad, it will work really good. So the colors are great, the graphics are great, everything works really well, no lag at all. So yes, it's perfect for gaming. Remember that it's limited on space, so if you install a lot of games, you will not be able to install other applications. But yes, it will run games at easy, no problems at all. You just need a good remote, and that's it. Okay, so don't forget, if you are enjoying the videos, if you're still watching the video, to give it a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video, and because that really helps me. So you can also use this media center, and this is retrieving my movies from NAS, from network attached storage, and it works really well. Okay, really well. I will also be doing a video how you can build your own NAS, your network attached storage, and it works really good. So let's do some testing. Normally I do these testings with the boxes, Android boxes I received, to see if they are able to play 4K. So this one is 4K, 30 frames per second, and no issues at all. And this is playing from my network attached storage. The codec it's H.264, the CPU it's under 40%, no issues at all, 30 frames per second. And let's now proceed with 60 frames per second. So let's change files. So 60 frames per second. And no issues at all. And the CPU is under 50% or more or less 50%, so it's peanuts. So you can throw 4K content 60 frames per second, no issues. Okay, let's try another file, 4K. This is a Matroshka file. MKV file. It's really fast. Remember, this is loading from my NAS, and the CPU 30%, 34, 40, codec H.265, no issues. Really good quality. So it performs really well, no lag. That is why this device is really better than a Chinese box. So jellyfish, and now we are testing HEVC codec 10-bit, and this one it's a no-go. 140 megabits. Okay, just for information for the people. I want to watch Joker movie. Search for Man on Fire. Search for Breaking Bad. Okay, so as you can see, you can search for movies and TV shows just with your voice. Really easy. Okay, so really fast. How can you manage your applications that you don't want anymore? Just go and uninstall. It's really easy. The speed of the video is changed for you just to see how it works. So now I will search within the Aptoide TV, that's the alternative store for an app. So if we go for IPTV, it will give you a lot of results that you can choose from, nothing that you can do with your normal store. So this is another launcher, Wolf launcher, and this is another one. So as I told you, you can install different launchers to your machine, and it works really well. So also you can change the applications within the launcher, the position, the color, everything. Also with a OTG cable with 2 connections, I was able to hook up my Logitech keyboard, and this can come handy if you need to enter some words or text within your application. Okay, so this is the Wolf launcher. And just to show you that I loaded a list, free IPTV list, and it's working really well. So if you plan to use the device for IPTV, it's working really nice, no issues at all. And for me it's more than approved. I will keep it and it will be my main device. I hope you liked the video. If you did it, give it a like. If you don't like it, tell me why. Consider to subscribe. Thank you.